Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone had a nice long weekend and you were able to have some fun and relax. It is Tell Me a Story Tuesday. So, like before, I want you to reply to this video to tell me if you're going to write an adventure, fantasy, or sci-fi story today. You can write Scramble if you're just going to pick Scramble and let it choose for you today. Okay? Before we move on to our to-do list, just a reminder that tomorrow we're not going to have our typical class meeting at 11. Instead, I've put you into small groups and everybody has a different time. So make sure you check your email that I sent out yesterday to parents to see what time you're at. The times are between 9 and noon tomorrow. So make sure you know what time you're going to come meet us and just log on to Teams and I will invite you into the call. Okay? Here's our to-do list for today. Watch this video, reply, read for 30 minutes. Writing is Tell Me a Story Tuesday, so go through the prompts and write your story on the story generator. Make sure that when you're writing, you are remembering your capitals, your periods, your commas, and remember that people did a lot better job last week, but your story needs to have a beginning, middle, and end. If it starts with this epic adventure and then it just kind of ends and you're in the middle of the adventure, that's not going to be very interesting for your reader. So make sure that you have a beginning, middle, and end to nicely summarize your story. Okay? For math today, the first thing I need you to do is I posted an equivalent fractions video to YouTube and I also will post it on Teams. You need to watch the video before you go do IXL because it will help you do IXL. But pretty much I'm talking about equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions are fractions that have different numbers, but they're equal. They show the same amount. So here we see 2 out of 6 are colored in and 1 out of 3 are colored in. Even though these are different fractions, they show the same amount. So my video will explain it further. And then you'll go on to IXL and do S1. S1, you're going to be practicing equivalent fractions. So it shows you 2 models. This model has 2 pieces. This model has 4 pieces. I can tell by looking at this that 2 pieces here is equivalent to 1 piece here. So all I will need to do is type 1 and press submit. Okay, here's another one. I can tell this time that 1 out of 2. So how many green represent the purple? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we know that, but it's 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 out of 8 is the same as 1 out of 2. Okay, and then they try to make it a little bit more difficult for us. So they're not giving us another model to refer this to, but I can tell just by looking at this that half of the circle is colored in. So I know that's going to be 1 out of 2. Or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that 5 out of 10, sorry for my writing, is going to be the same as 1 out of 2. And how I know that is because I know that 5 times 2 equals 10, and I know that 1 times 2 equals 2. So that's how I know it. We could also just know it by looking and seeing it. This is half of the circle. Okay? Okay, and then for fun today, I want you to go outside and find different objects around your backyard or your neighborhood or anywhere near you, but you need to find something that represents every letter in the alphabet. So maybe for A, you want to find an acorn. B, you could find a bug. C, you could find a caterpillar. D, you could find, I don't know. You got to think about one thing for each letter of the internet. Not internet, for the alphabet. You can be creative, and I would love to see pictures of what you find along the way. Awesome. Have a good day. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye.